Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use stop loss orders on Poloniex. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use stop loss orders on Poloniex. The first thing to do is to launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device and log into your account. From the home screen, tap the trade icon at the bottom corner or the market section to access available trading pairs. You can also search for the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade using the search bar at the top of the screen. So I'm going to trade. Even in the trade option, you can select the pair and choose any of the pairs from the available options. Choose the specific trading pair for which you want to place a stop loss order. And then once you do that, it's going to take you right into the trading page. So once on the trading page for the selected pair, you will see different types of orders in here. Right under buy and sell, click on that drop down menu. You see limit, market, stop loss, stop limits, rather trailing stop, stop market, and post only. So go ahead and click on stop limit. Then a stop limit or stop loss order will be initiated. A stop loss order or stop limit order in this sense, okay. Now, a stop limit order or stop loss order allows you to specify a price at which your position will be automatically sold to limit losses. In the stop limit section, enter the stop price in here. Now, this is the price at which the stop limit order will be triggered. When the market price reaches this level, a market order will be placed to sell your cryptocurrency. Ensure that your stop price is lower than the current market price if you're selling. That's if you're clicking on selling. Now, specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell once the stop price is triggered. That's if you click on sell. So sell. Then specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell once the stop price is triggered. You can also use the slider in here, which are the percentage buttons. That's 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, to quickly select how much of your holdings you want to protect with the stop loss order. Now, before proceeding, review all details of the stop loss order, including stop price, amount to sell, order type. This is stop price, and this is where you put the amount to sell. Then tap sell to confirm your stop limit or your stop loss order. Then a summary of the order will appear showing the stop price, total amount, and any applicable fees. Now, your stop loss order or your stop limit order will remain open until the stop price is reached, at which point a market order will be executed to sell your cryptocurrency. You can check the status of your open orders in the open orders section of the app. After your stop loss order is executed, you can review the details of the completed trade in the order history section. Beware that if the market price drops rapidly, your stop loss order might be executed at a price lower than the stop price due to slippage. Okay, so you can use your stop loss orders in conjunction with other order types like limit orders for more sophisticated trading strategies. Now, go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.